खालसा अकाल पुरख की फौज, प्रगटे खालसा परमात्म की मौज। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। My honorable Sikh siblings and respected listeners, today we will try to discuss about the Hola Mohalla word. I want to say with great confidence that you cannot find out Hola Mohalla word in all the encyclopedias of world. With great confidence in and undoubtedly we can say that this word was made by the 10th Guru of Sikhism, namely Guru Gobind Singh. Meanwhile, 3 centuries and 22 years ago, this word was made by 10th Guru. When he constructed and made up a special fort, namely Holgarh, for the army training of Khalsa army. In this fort, Guruji started army training in many ways, like horse riding and artillery, archery, etc., etc. So that time Guruji made up this word. Hola meaning attack, Mohalla meaning a special place which is given by the special senior army senior officer to the army soldiers for occupying special place. That time Guruji gives a special place to his army soldiers and divided his army soldiers in 2 groups. Gives a special place for occupying, for invading. Whichever group becomes successful on that place, Guruji gives special awards to that group. Which group was not be successful to occupy that place, Guruji gave special instructions how to become successful in the next time. So Guruji made up new word in the encyclopedia of world, Hola Mohalla. Hola meaning attack, Mohalla meaning special place which is used by the army officials for occupying. So Guruji not only gives training in this fort, but meanwhile 3 centuries ago Guruji started a special procession on the name of Mohalla. This procession was held by Guruji according to the old traditions with great pomp and splendor. My honorable listeners, from that time till now, this procession is held every year by the Sikh devotees. Every year, this procession was started from the Holgarh, and in the evening time, this procession is reached in the Khalsa Stadium according to the old Khalsa traditions with great forward great pomp and splendor at the evening time. So I want to say the meaning of Hola Mahalla. This is a outwardly meaning. Hola meaning attack, Mahalla meaning special place. Inner meaning of this word, how to attack on the special place of evil thoughts like lustness, greed, and other evil thoughts. How to occupy that place of the evil thoughts. In the other way, this historical day gives a special meaning, the sign of saint and soldier. Every year, this historical day is celebrated by the Khalsa warrior, and according to the old traditions with old weapons. So it is a sign of great saint or soldiers. Khalsa is not only saint, but Khalsa is a great soldier, and every time is become ready to face the dreadful and tyrant people. So these kind of thoughts I tried to discuss with you. I know I want to say lastly, I have done many mistakes during this lecture. Please forgive me, pardon me. Lastly, you speak out with me. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।